After you have set up your company tax profile and link it to your own company profile, next what are we going to do is I will guide you on how can you create the tax entity for your customer as well as your supplier if you have any. For example, in my master data customer, I have a few customers over here. TM Century Solutions Sdn Bhd, Premium Construction Private Limited, Pertahanan Hutan Malaysia, all are my customers. I will use this chance to show you how to create tax entity for a local company which is TM Century Solutions Sdn Bhd, Premium Construction Private Limited is my overseas customer, and Pertahanan Hutan Malaysia is a government. So what we do is we go to master data tax entity, just click on new and fill in the TM Century Solution info. For example, TIN, BRN, SST registration number, MSIC code, address, postcode, city, state, country, phone and email. After that, click save, and once you create this tax entity, you can go back to master data, customer, click TM Century Solutions and click on tax entity. From the drop down, choose the correct tax entity for a customer, so you can see this customer will be linked with this tax entity.